Hey, what's going on, everybody? Sterry Johnson back again with the short, quick training video. And today I'm actually gonna show you how to find the hottest zip codes where cash buyers are buying at or have bought within the last 6 to 12 months. Now, if you have access to the MLS, you can easily get this information. Okay, but if not, go to listsource.com. Now I'm gonna pretty much go through this pretty quick. Now, if you have to pause it or rewind it, feel free to do so at any time. Now, first thing first, you want to go ahead and click on the Register Now button. Click on that. And then right here, this form will pop up. Fill out this form, click Submit, get you a username and password. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account real quick so I can actually show you real quick. Click that, hit login. All right, next, you want to click on the consumer marketing tab. This drop down menu will pop up. We want to click on absentee owners. Okay, absentee owners are people who have a property outside of their primary residence. Okay. Now, some people have a second home, but majority of the people out there that are absentee owners, they have a piece of property that they generate income from, whether it is a rental property or fix and flip. Okay. These are absentee owners. Click on that. All right. Next thing, we want to select the criteria. We want to search by county. Click on county. All right, next, whatever state that you're in, whether you're doing this locally or virtually, enter in that state. I'm in Oklahoma, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Oklahoma. All right, county. I'm going to do Oklahoma County, whatever county that you're looking up this data for, enter in that county. All right, next, click that next button. All right, now if you notice, this is the database that we're looking up information, absentee owners. This is a running count, 50,765,000 absentee owners. This is a lot of absentee owners. Okay. Property type, we're going to do single family residence. Okay, click on that, click add, boom. All this information right here, we don't need none of this. Go all the way down to the last market recording date. Now, this is when this property was actually purchased, and we want to do the last 12 months. Click on that. Scroll all the way down. Click next. Okay. If you notice, this count went from a little over 50,000 to a little under 37,000. Okay. On here, you just want to make sure this is actually checked. That's what phone's on. Okay, absentee owner, you want to make sure this is actually clicked, and then make sure in-state owners and out-of-state owners is clicked. Okay, we don't need to do any changes with any of this information. Click on purchase list. All right, next. Okay, now this number right here. Now, if we're going to purchase list, this is how much we would have to spend. But like I told you, we're not spending any money today. All we're doing is collecting data. That's all we're doing. So we want to click purchase partial list. Click on that. Next thing, we want to hit custom selection because we want to do this. We want to group properties by the zip code. We're looking for the hottest zip codes. This is where cash buyers are buying it right now today. You know, we're doing this within the last 12 months and within the last year. So click on zip codes. All right, wait for this to process. All right, now if you notice this next page that popped up, these are all the zip codes within Oklahoma County. These are all the absentee owners. So what we want to do is gather this data and then reorganize this information. Click export. Right here, All right, you want to enter in your Gmail account. Mine is MJPROPERTYBYERS at gmail.com. All right. So now we got that information in. We want to just double check and make sure that we spelled everything correctly so it goes to the correct email address. So PROPERTYBYERS at gmail.com. Okay. That's correct. So now we want to copy this information and then paste it. And then right here, this is, just if you want to add any comments, you can put in, top zip codes in whatever county you're in, hot zip, whatever you want, you put that information there. I'm not going to put anything in there right now. Just click submit. All right. Right here it says the email has been sent. So you can close out of this screen here. Open up your Gmail account. All right. And then right here, this is the email that you should have received. It says listsource.com group by custom selection. Click on that, open that email. This is the information that we want to get and then actually group that information, organize that information. So let's click on this. All right, if you notice, this is the same exact information that we viewed within ListSource, but now we have it in a CSV file. But we want to put this in an actual Google Sheets just so we can readjust everything. So wait for that to open up. Now, first things first, we want to change this information. We want to put this in a descending order. Then we'll know exactly what is the hottest zip code in our area. So what you want to do is click on that, and then we want to drag this all the way down to the last one. Okay. Then we want to click on data. And then, okay, right here, you see where it says sort sheet by column B, Z through A. Click on that. Now, if you notice right here, the one at the top spot, the zip code, this is the hottest zip code. This is where the most cash transactions have been done within the past 12 months. 2,518 transactions. And this is just a partial list. Okay. So now that we have that information, we want to go here and enter in a little formula to find out the actual percentage. Okay. So what you want to do is put in equal V3 divided by the total number of records. So it'll be this number divided by 36,984. Okay, then click enter. Okay. All right, that's that. All right, hold on, let me actually redo that. Let me redo that real quick. Hold on, because I gotta put it in, then I gotta drag that formula all the way down. So equals, put in B3 divided by 36,984. All right. Let me see if I can just click on this and drag it down. Oh, okay, there we go. Boom. Drag it all the way down to the very end. All right. So now we know we got a percentage. It's pretty much 7% of all the cash transactions have been done in this zip code. We want to know the top 50%. We're looking for the top 50%. So what we do is click here, go over here, click on functions. We want to do the sum of a few of these different so these different spots right here. Okay. So what we do is we put that in, click over here. Then we want to drag this down. Probably to about right there. Then click enter. Okay, so that's 48% right here. If you not double click on it, C3 through C12, that's where 48% of all the cash transactions are being done. Okay, we can even go down one more. Let's go down one more. Let me back out of that. All right, so then we're gonna go to, we're gonna go down one more and go down to C13. All right, C13. So that's where 50% of all the cash transactions has been done. This is gold. This is what the information that I was wanting you to get, where you can actually know exactly where all the cash transactions are being done within your area. Okay, so you'll know exactly where to deploy your marketing and efforts at. Okay, so now we know that we can actually keep all this, keep this in, and put that in there. So C13. So we know these from here all the way up. This is where we want to focus our time and energy in within these zip codes. Okay. All right. That's it for this video. Go ahead and go to the next video and we'll pick up where we left off. Y'all take care.